Clarion Terraces. Progress extends well beyond the buildings themselves. This phase is focused on creating the infrastructure that supports a modern residential lifestyle. Significant effort has gone into site-wide sand filling and compaction. Through careful grading, leveling, and compaction, we're establishing stable surfaces that will support roads, pathways, landscaping, and essential estate infrastructure. One of the most exciting additions is the development of the estate's jogging trail. The trail is being raised and protected through extensive sand filling before receiving stone-based compaction and final finishing works. Across the estate, heavy equipment continues to work in coordination. Loaders distribute materials, graders create uniform levels, and vibratory compactors ensure long-term stability beneath future roads and walkways. Utility infrastructure is also advancing. Electrical connections are now taking shape with poles, high-tension wiring, and transformer systems positioned to support the future needs of residents. The Facility Management Office and Gym House have reached an advanced stage of completion. Roofing, plastering, windows, and interior works have already transformed the building into functional amenities for the estate. Paving operations have also commenced, from ground preparation and compaction to the laying of membranes and paving stones. Each step is carefully executed to ensure durability and long-term performance. Landscaping preparations are equally underway. Flower bed construction has commenced, helping define spaces while contributing to the character and visual appeal of the development. What is emerging at Clarion Terraces is more than a collection of homes. It's a carefully planned residential environment supported by infrastructure, recreation, utilities, and thoughtful design.